down. Now.
I ain't got a drone up.
You've got a drone up.
I haven't.
You have. You walked past me with a drone.
I haven't got a drone up.
Where is your drone?
Pardon?
Where's your drone? Right. Listen to me. Just go over a sec.
What?
Right. You've obviously got the drone up.
I haven't.
Well, you have.
No, I haven't.
Just listen to me.
No, you listen to me.
Right.
I haven't got a drone up.
Just listen to me.
Go ahead.
So what's that then?
That's some drone footage.
Right. Okay. So where's your drone?
Huh?
Where's your drone?
What's it got to do with you, buddy?
Right. Just so you know, you are committing an offence.
I'm not committing an offence at all. Am I flying at this minute?
Listen to me.
Am I flying?
Listen to me.
Go ahead.
Right.
Just to let you know, we'll contact the Civil Aviation Authority to put a temporary ban on flying.
Mate, he said I'm flying. No, I'm not.
So
am I flying?
So where's your drone?
What's it going to do with you guys? I'm not flying a drone. Just crack on with your job.
Right. Under Article 256 of the air navigation, you are committing an offence.
Offence? Am I flying a drone at this minute?
Near the building.
Look,
Okay.
the joypad's not moving. Look at that, guys. He's just said I'm committing an offence.
They can fly themselves. It's not stupid. I own a drone myself.
You want a drone? So am I committing an offence now?
Yes, you are.
So are you arresting me then? Are you arresting me?
I'm going to take your details and someone just...
I'm not giving you the details.
I'll have to arrest you.
Go on then. Go on then.
Right, okay.
I'm not flying a drone. I'm flying a drone. My drone's in my bag, you pair of muppets.
You want to give us the drone?
Mate, you've just am I being detained? Detained for what?
Committing an offence under the Aviation Act. Okay. I have told you that. I have asked you.
Am I being detained?
I have asked you.
Am I being detained? I'm arrested?
Yes, you are.
Right.
Okay, all you need to do is show us the drone.
My drone's in my bag.
I asked you. You said.
My drone is in my bag. Check my bag.
I was just trying to say, I know that. But he's made that decision. He's a grown man, and if he wants...
Mate, no, my drone's in my bag. I've told him it's in my bag. He's detaining me and arresting me for a drone.
You need to get your details as well, your name and address as well.
What? I was flying it before you actually told me it was an offence. Why is it an offence when I've got a... Are you arresting me? Serious?
Yes, I've just arrested you.
Will you check that bag just to make sure my drone's in there?
Once we've established your details.
This is... Hey, do you know what? This is an unlawful...
Listen to me, alright?
Yeah.
Start shouting. Once we've ascertained your details and confirmed who you are, we can look at de-arresting you in relation to...
De-arresting me? I've not committed an offence from the start. I've got a licence and everything.
Alright guys, this incident starts with immediate confusion and confrontation. Asterisk emergency responders accuse the cameraman of illegally flying a drone near an active scene, insisting he has committed an offense. But the man repeatedly challenges the accusation, calmly asking one simple question. Asterisk, where's the drone? Asterisk, he explains that no drone is currently in the air and refuses to accept allegations based on assumptions alone. Despite his repeated denials, officers continue insisting that temporary flight restrictions are in place and demand access to the drone. As the conversation escalates, the cameraman maintains his aircraft remains packed away and that he is not actively flying. Within minutes, what should have been a simple verification transforms into a tense legal dispute over aviation rules, police authority, and whether officers are acting on facts or mere suspicion.
You don't arrest people first, mate. That you're doing the wrong thing. The law...
You come with me.
Pardon? It wasn't flying, mate.
Come with me.
Jog on, you muppet. Who's got the controller and the phone?
What did you do?
I need that control and the phone because he's got the evidence, mate.
Right, okay.
I proved to you I weren't flying a drone.
You haven't proved it. You was being awkward.
Mate, you said that I was flying a drone.
Controller is. I can't talk. You're shouting.
I have got handcuffs on and they're hurting, mate.
Have you got his controller? Right.
I do.
We'll take the.
So look at that. That's still going as we speak.
Right.
That was from footage before when there was no blocker in the area.
Just search his bag.
Yeah, of course, mate. What was your name, fella?
I'm not telling you my name. I'm not telling you my name. I'm not obliged to because I'm not committed an offence.
I was only asking your name.
He's detained me and I'm in handcuffs now.
I've already told you. Under the Aviation Act, you are committing an offence. You're flying a drone near buildings.
Near buildings.
Without a licence, you can't do that.
I've got a licence. I've got a licence. Am I permitted to give you a licence? Because this area is exempt from the CAA.
Who is it?
Eh?
Where's the drone?
It's in the bag. Look through the rest of the bag. Not inside the bag, not that bit.
Sorry guys, can I just ask you to take a couple of steps back for me? Thank you.
No, it's sorry.
Oh, so now Constable is seeing that my drone's in the bag, as it is. It wasn't flying when he pulled me and put me in handcuffs. So now, this is a wrongful arrest. Am I still being detained, Constable? Please let me know soon, because the longer this goes on, the more you will be a civil court matter. Okay. And I will prosecute you.
That's fine.
Personally. You've detained...
We make complaints to Lancashire Constabulary, mate, by all means do so.
Are you being cocky, Louis?
No, I'm telling you where to make your complaint.
Peace, what's your collar number?
Sergeant 5409.
Sergeant 540. Are you happy with your constable doing what he's done to me?
You'd like to make a complaint?
Are you happy with what your constable's done to me?
Ashley?
Can he let me out of these cuffs now?
Now things take a dramatic turn. Guys, officers suddenly place the cameraman under arrest, insisting they need to establish his identity, while claiming he violated aviation regulations. The journalist immediately protests, arguing that his licensed drone is safely inside his bag and that officers arrested him before confirming any actual offense had occurred. Even while handcuffed, he repeatedly points officers toward the drone, urging them to inspect the bag and verify the truth for themselves. As more officers arrive, evidence begins supporting his claim that the drone was never airborne when police made contact. The cameraman openly accuses officers of carrying out a wrongful arrest and warns that every second he remains detained increases the likelihood of legal action, turning the entire encounter into a serious question of accountability.
You are committing the offence, okay?
How can I commit offence when I wasn't flying?
Do you want to
At the
listen or shout at
time,
him?
you wouldn't tell me whether you was flying or not.
I wasn't committing offence.
Right? Listen to me. At the time, I suspected you was committing the offence.
No, you said I was committing an offence.
Because you wouldn't tell me you had the drone in the bag.
No, I told you I didn't have it.
No, you didn't.
Mate, you've done an unlawful arrest on me today. What's your collar number?
You can have a call at 8512. Okay? Listen to me. You're now de-arrested because you're not flying the drone. Should you?
I tried to tell you I wasn't flying a drone.
Should you that drone take off, you will be arrested.
No, I won't.
Okay.
No, I won't. If I want to fly that,
CCTV and monitoring.
if I want to fly that, this is a legal way I can fly this drone. I've got a license. Are you a muppet or what? So are you saying if I fly that now, I'm being arrested?
Are you going to keep still, or it's going to hurt when you take your handcuffs off?
Listen, stop pushing my back. You're making things a lot worse here.
It's going to hurt.
You muppet.
Don't be swearing.
I will swear, because he's arrested me for nothing.
You're going to get yourself locked up for something else.
Locked up for what? Public order?
Breach the peace or public order.
Breach of the peace. Go on, crack on, crack on. You put me in handcuffs for nothing. Don't put them on the other way around next time, you Joey. You not put a pair of handcuffs on or what? So why are you twisting them like that?
Your hand away.
I ain't
like
pulling. Do you think I want to walk away with that on me? You Joey. You're a muppet, mate. You've arrested. What you arresting me then for nothing? I weren't flying a drone, and it's illegal to fly a drone here.
All right, okay.
Is it not?
Prove it then.
Prove it. I'll give you my operator's ID.
Go on then. Okay.
Go on then.
Let's have a look at your ID.
I'm going to give you my operator's ID right now, where it's legal to fly a drone right here.
Okay. So that says that you can fly above buildings and people.
Yeah. Do you know what type of drone this is? Before we go, because I'm going to make a civil claim against you. Right? I'm going to show you the drone. This is
the drone. I know what they are.
Do you see that there, buddy?
It's a DJI Mini. I know.
DJI Mini. It's under 250 grams, right? Yeah. Nothing around here in Preston is exempt from me flying above, and I wouldn't be. I wouldn't
near a burning building.
I was 120 metres above the sky, buddy.
And interfering with emergency.
Not interfering, no.
Yes, you
not
was.
interfering.
Yes, it was.
How was it interfering? No, it wasn't.
Brigade
No, it wasn't.
Hence why it's
Don't lie.
down.
Don't lie.
Have you got your licence?
What?
You got your licence?
For one, I'm not permitted to show you my
You
licence.
just told me you're going to show me, now you're not.
But do you know what that is?
You're lying then.
That's my operator's licence number.
Right, so
Yeah?
I will contact then the CAA and I will let them know about your unlawful flying of the drone.
It wasn't unlawful.
You'll lose your licence, won't you?
No, I won't.
You're being monitored. See you.
I can fly this again.
All right, the pressure reaches another level. Asterisk, after checking equipment, officers finally acknowledge that the drone is no longer being flown, but they continue defending their earlier actions by claiming they reasonably suspected an offense. The cameraman refuses to back down, arguing that suspicion alone cannot justify handcuffing someone without confirming the facts first. He presents his operator credentials, explains that his DJI Mini falls within a legal category for flight, and insists he fully understands the Civil Aviation Authority regulations. Throughout the confrontation, both sides debate licensing requirements, restricted airspace, emergency operations, and drone classifications. Rather than calming the situation, every explanation fuels another disagreement. exposing major differences in how both parties interpret aviation law and police powers during fast-moving incidents.
Do you know CAA? They need to put a blocker in the area.
Well, they're doing it now.
Well, once they do that, that will stop me flying.
Carry on shouting, you're going to get locked up.
No, what? Stop
Yes, you will
shouting.
get
No,
locked
what?
up.
This is me.
Right. Well,
What are you going to arrest me for?
My face.
What are you going to
You're
arrest
lawyer
me
for breach of the peace. As simple as that.
Oh, breach
Do
of
not
peace.
shout in my
You
face.
can't be offended.
Right.
You can't be
I can't be
offended.
offended. These firefighters can. This baby here in this pram can.
I'm really. Do you know what I'm offended? You're a muppet.
All right.
Yeah. Do you know why? Because you illegally arrested me then.
All right. Cool.
Yeah. Did you not illegally arrest me then?
You're not suspected.
My wrist. Look at my wrist there.
Right.
My wrists are killing for what you did. You are a muppet.
Right. Put a complaint.
8512.
Yes.
Yeah.
Put a complaint.
I'm gonna-
It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Look at you laughing about it. What type of a Joey are you? You are a tyrant, Constable. You think you can do that to people when I've got a license for a drone?
Okay.
Have I got a license?
You've not,
That will be proven in
not
court.
Real license.
Pardon? You didn't actually put me in handcuffs.
I have.
That's not the way you do it.
Flying the drone. You said no. You said yes. You wouldn't tell me whether you was flying the drone.
Oh, so you just arrest people and that?
You wouldn't show me.
You need to. Oh, you need to know CAA. You don't know it.
Deal with it in court.
You don't know it. You're a Joey.
Thank you.
You are a muppet.
Thank you.
I'm disrespected.
Right.
I've been.
breaching the peace because there's members of the public there that are offended by.
Are you offended by what I just said?
So listen to me. Back it in with the language. or you're
I'm
gonna get
speaking
locked
to
up.
you.
Simple as. Move on.
No, I'm going this way.
Right. Move that way then.
Is my silence good enough for you?
Yes, that's perfect.
Is that all right?
Yeah.
Tyrant, aren't you?
Keep an eye on this guy for us, please.
Keep it. He's all right with me. He's all right. He's all right.
Excuse me, you stood in my way.
Huh? You're stood in my way.
How we doing, kid?
Look at this guy. He's a proper tyrant. Idiot. He just arrested me. Everybody, this is the Preston Police Force for you. Joey.
You're a tyrant!
Tyrant.
In the final moments, emotions completely boil over. The cameraman accuses officers of abusing their authority, repeatedly calling the arrest unlawful while pointing to marks left by the handcuffs. Officers warn him to control his language, threatening further action for a breach of the peace if he continues shouting. Unwilling to let the matter end quietly, the journalist announces his intention to file formal complaints and pursue civil action against those involved. He continues documenting every interaction, arguing that his rights were ignored despite possessing the required drone qualifications. As the officers walk away, the confrontation ends without another arrest, but the incident leaves behind serious questions about police decision-making, proportional use of authority, and the importance of verifying facts before restricting someone's freedom during a public encounter.